lórí mátà gbàgbós tó ń lọ nípa actress Toyin Abraham lórí social media ẹ̀yin èèyàn ta lálé di ẹ̀bi ọ̀rọ̀ irú ṣé actress Toyin Abraham ní ká blame fún bó ṣe arrest ẹni tó bully ẹ̀ tó tún gbèrò kú lórí ọmọ ẹ̀ àbí Verydarkblackman tó escalate mátà ẹ̀ to the extent wípé ó fún actress Toyin Abraham ní 24 hours ultimatum láti release the guy yẹn.
Release the boy now. We'll give you 24 hours. If you don't release him, we will go release him. You understand? Ah, yes, we send lawyer. We go pay the lawyer him money. We pay him his due fee.
Tó tún ṣe to the extent wípé àwọn ex-users ló ń report page Toyin Abraham fún Elon Musk tán tún send the mail sí Netflix láti bring down gbogbo movies actress Toyin Abraham tó wà lórí Netflix. Tán fẹ́ gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ ta ni ká blame gangan nínú àwọn méjèèjì. Ẹ súnmọ́ bí ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ wá gbọ́ bí Mewolaka ṣe yànnàná mátà yìí nínú fídíò tó wà níbi tí a máa jìjọ wò. Ẹ máa gbọ́ reason tí Mewolaka fi ní Verydarkblackman ò handle mátà yìí dáadáa pé because ó ti change narrative mátà yìí to the extent wípé a ti ń gbé ẹ̀bi fáláre a ti ń gbàre fẹ́lẹ́bi abuser ti ń di victim ti ń di abuser. But before kí n tó gbé fọ́nrán Mewolaka wọlé ẹjọ́ ìjájọ́ wo fọ́nrán Toyin Abraham yìí kábàlẹ̀ understand the angle tí Toyin Abraham ti ń bọ̀ ìdí tó fi arrest guy yẹn gangan in the first place ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ wo fídíò yìí náà.
You said I collected money. I have said it. I need them to prove I collected money. You said you will buy my child. Guys, the truth will come out very soon. These people were paid money to bully me, to ruin my career down, to ruin my life down. I have not committed any crime. The only crime I have committed is exercising my right. So me oberumo, my fear is gone. I am ready to die. You guys have pushed me. But before I die, I will make sure that everybody that bullied me, everybody that defend me oniba. So I'm ready. I am so ready.
Now who is to blame? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ṣé Toyin Abraham ní ká blame ni àbí Verydarkblackman? Because sincerely, mátà yìí ti ń lọ far ju bó ṣe yẹ lọ. Ó ti ń go deeper ju bó ṣe yẹ lọ. Ó ti ń di nǹkan tí wọ́n ń report àwọn movies Toyin Abraham tó wà lórí Netflix wọ́n ti ń report wọ́n ti ń kọ mail sí Netflix láti bring down gbogbo films wọ̀nyẹn. Ṣé a mọ̀ wípé a fẹ́ gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ nìyẹn? Tá bá ní ká pawọ́pọ̀ ká bá wí ṣó yẹ ká ṣe to the extent wípé a wá gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. How do we want her to fend for herself and her family? Kí n má làágùn jìnnà ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbé fọ́nrán Mewolaka wọlé kájọ gbálàyé tán ṣe inú ẹ̀ mọ́ padà bọ̀ ká wá sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀.
Verydarkblackman rí wípé ó ti fi ìbínú arrest èèyàn kan wípé ẹni yẹn sọ báyìí ó sọ báyìí nípa ọmọ òun ẹni yẹn bú òun ẹni yẹn defame òun ó ti fi ìbínú ó ti lọ fi pọlọ́pàá ó ti gbé. You want to correct Toyin Aimako by telling her that is petty of her, that she shouldn't have allowed her emotions to get to the extent of getting someone who is just blabbling on social media arrested. You have a point, Verydarkblackman. That's a very good thing to say. But how did you say it? Have you forgotten that Toyin Aimako is someone's wife? Assuming you are married and somebody, maybe èèyàn kan harass ìyàwó ẹ̀, èèyàn kan mú ìyàwó ẹ̀ bínú, ìyàwó ẹ̀ wá overreact, and that somebody feel like, okay, let me intervene, let me talk to this woman. She shouldn't have gone this far. And ó wá bọ́ síta, ó wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀. The person now started calling your wife shameless. What else do you call her? Shameless. You started calling her names. You started calling her an oppressor. How will you feel? Gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ ló dá. But the way you said it is wrong. The way you said it is insulting. The way you said this is very, very disrespectful and degrading. Nija, that you want to be voice. When you are a voice to the voiceless, that you want to be the voice for the voiceless does not mean you should step on everybody's toes. People need people. You don't have to make enemies on social media just because you want to air your opinion, or you want to be an activist, or you want to be a cyber police. No! Look at the way you address Ashimushi. Nobody frowned at it because Ashimushi deserved it. Because what Ashimushi did was wrong. Do you understand what I'm talking about now? We all know gbogbo wa la mọ̀ pé nǹkan tí Ashimushi ṣe ò dáa. So nobody frowned at it. Everybody were like, you did a good job. You are fantastic. But this Toyin Aimaku, don't forget, the boy in question is not the victim here. The way you are now handling this matter is as if you are making the boy look like a victim. Is it a victim? For every reaction, there must have been an action. Yes, I only overreact. If you want to intervene, you don't need that petrol. You won't pour petrol on a already burning fire. Okay, VDM, let me ask you a question. The way you went about it, the way you dragged Toyin Aimaku, Toyin Aimaku bá wá bínú, tó bá ní for what you said, she's not going to back down. You think she doesn't have a case? She does. You and I know she has a case. You and I know the cyberbullying, cyber stalking, defamation is a criminal offense in Nigeria. No amount of our emotions, no amount of our comments, no amount of our sentiment will influence the court decision. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Do your job. Continue speaking for the masses, but please be careful why you are at it. You don't have to drag it. You don't have to disrespect anybody who has never offended you. Ya ire gangan ni mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ Toyin Aimaku, kí ló fẹ́ kún? Kí ló dé? Èwo lẹkún egbére? Èwo làlàyé? You are the one causing all this thing. Tá bá bẹ̀rù wí ká bẹ̀rù wí. Iyare, you don't need all this. O ti arrest here. Why should you come out to explain to anybody that wasn't there, that did not understand how you are feeling? Kí ló dé? Wàá tún wá fẹ́ ṣàlàyé nìyẹn, wàá máa sun ẹkún. Ìgbà tó mọ̀ pé o máa sun ẹkún, o máa look for people's pity. Why did you get him arrested in the first place? Did you see Eniola Badmus when he got that lady arrested? Bí everybody ṣe ń yàbọ̀, everybody ṣe ìwọ rí Eniola kó bọ́ síta kó wá ṣàlàyé. Ṣé ìwọ rí Eniola Badmus kó bọ́ síta kó wá ṣàlàyé? Ṣé ìgbà tí lady yẹn pẹ́ ní prison tó ń wojú ẹ̀wọ̀n, ṣé kò bọ́ síta kó wá apologize? Why are you coming out? O wá fi ẹnu nǹkan burúkú o fi ń pèrè, o máa kú, ta ló fẹ́ pa ẹ́? Already láti kú fún kíni? Lórí pé o gbèjà ara ẹ. That you stood up for yourself. Oníkà o. Kí ló torí tó o bá níkà, o ti ẹ̀rọ tọmọ ẹ, o ro tọkọ ẹ, o ro tàwa olólùfẹ́ ẹ, o ro tàwọn tó ń gbádùn ẹ, o ro tàwọn ẹbí, o ro tàwọn ọmọ tó ń jẹ lábẹ́ ẹ, o ro tàwọn tó ń ṣàǹfààní ẹ, o dẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ ikú ta ló kò síkú kan lójú ẹ lórí kíni? You have not done anything wrong. Oh, ṣe anything wrong. Tó bá lo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí fún ẹ wípé you overreacted, fine. Lọ́dọ̀ tèmi báyìí o overreact. But tó bá sọ wípé overreact, fine. But that you are an oppressor yẹn, kókó làkúrẹ́. Wọ́n ti ń oppress yẹn látọjọ́ yìí. Wọ́n ti ń try. Even ẹ̀tanú yẹn ni ò jẹ́ kí Màláíkà movie yẹn kó tà jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. You did a fantastic job nínú Màláíkà. You and I know that everybody that saw that movie knows that. But nítorí ẹ̀tanú, nítorí ìkà, ìgbà táwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n fẹ́ lọ wo movie ẹ ní cinema, wọ́n stop ẹ̀ wọ́n ta. Ọ̀hún ti téèyàn táwọn kan pe ọkọ ẹ̀ pé kó máa bọ̀ pé wọ́n ti stop tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì ẹ̀ wọ́n ta. náà tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bàtà wọ́n ṣí ẹ́ pàdé bíi brand ẹ̀ they have been oppressing you and you have been keeping quiet. tó o bá wá rí àti báyìí tó o bá ní o fẹ́ fi èèyàn kan jófin you owe nobody any explanation. ìyá rẹ̀ yé sunkún yé domi lójúmọ́.
ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lágbára o honestly speaking because a ti ń sọ aláre di ẹlẹ́bi a dẹ̀ ti ń sọ ẹlẹ́bi di aláre pẹ̀lú gbogbo tó wà ńlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ìgbésẹ̀ táwọn social media commenters tí wọ́n ń gbé láti ìgbà tí mátà yìí ti escalate látànú ó ti di nǹkan tó ṣe wípé wọ́n ṣà ń wá ọ̀nà kọ̀nà láti lè já Toyin Abraham kulẹ̀ ǹjọ́ yẹ kó rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tábà tiẹ̀ wá fẹ́ bá Toyin Abraham wí tábà la fẹ́ panupọ̀ bá wí lórí wípé kò yẹ kó arrest guy yẹn bó ṣe arrest ẹ̀ ṣó yẹ kó di nǹkan tó ṣe wípé àwa máa report iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ tó ń ṣe. I don't know why people do not see it as pé wọ́n fẹ́ gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀ nìyẹn because the bá report ẹ̀ sí next week to the extent wípé wọ́n wá bring down gbogbo iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ jọ̀ọ́ do you want her to be fending for herself and her family? Ibi tó ti ń jẹun nìyẹn mi rò pé yẹ ká bàjá to that extent. Funny enough most of our commenters yẹn go and look at them their parents are among those that collect 5,000 collect 2,000 even 1,000 naira to vote APC into power today. Most of them àwọn parents wọn gba gàrí abọ́kan wọn gba rice abọ́kan láti vote ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed wọlé lẹ́ni yìí but torí pa ti rí Toyin Abraham as celebrity àwa hold ẹ̀ ní neck tight bí gbà wípé òun gangan ni problem wà ní Nàìjíríà kò ń ṣe òní problem wà náà káti wàá gbà pé kì celebrity ni she's an influencer she's influencing a lot of people tó jẹ́ followers ẹ̀ tó jẹ́ fans ẹ̀ but ṣé àwọn followers àti fans yẹn ṣé àlákàyè tí wọn ò pé ni ẹ fẹ́ bá Toyin Abraham wípé okay kò yẹ kó oppress guy yẹn kò yẹ kó arrest guy yẹn but ṣó yẹ ká ṣe to the extent wípé àwa gbàjẹ́ lẹ́nu ẹ̀. Sincerely speaking Nigerians we need to do better honestly speaking we need to do better tá a bá fẹ́ báyàn wí ẹ má jà máa try láti attack his source of livelihood ẹ̀ wọ́n ní kò kàn mí ló jẹ́ kí igi mú ẹlẹ́dẹ̀ ó bàjẹ́ tó bá kan àwa náà á mọ̀ wípé no nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí kò right ká tó máa lọ àzíṣẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ ka comment kan àbí méjì lọ́dà comment fídíò Ajia Mewolaka ká gbọ́ báwọn èèyàn ṣe react sí mátà yìí. One commenter Fatima Arike only he doesn't know when to stop. I like him but it's getting too much. Abba and most of his targets are women. It is well o. Jimoh Wasiu ní òdodo ọ̀rọ̀. Bímpé Òjó only God bless you mommy. Okay. Fumilayo Owoshina only that very dark goat need to be arrested for cyberbullying and defamation of character. He needs to learn a hard way. Toyin Abraham fan page. Please be strong. Okay. Another person Ogunsu Lere Ayoyemi only what you need in Nigeria social media is a bill to control it. The bill will solve all the social media abuses and bullies. Bisola Oladoyini, honestly, I love this. Jumokeni, thank you, my good talk. Tinu Noni, thank you, Alaja Mewolaka. A lot of people don't comment Alaja Mewolaka fún bó ṣe analyze the matter tó ń lọ nípa actress Toyin Abraham lórí social media, especially pẹ̀lú bí Verydarkblackman ṣe escalate matter yìí bó ṣe handle ẹ̀ in such a way tó ṣe pé ó ti wá ń dàbí pé Toyin Abraham ló ń oppress guy yẹn. They forgot to look at it from the angle pé guy yẹn gangan bó ṣe ń bully Toyin Abraham is getting too much. Anyway, may God help us in our country. Títí dìgbà míì tá a ti jọ máa pàdé ẹ má gbàgbé láti máa bá mi click lórí subscribe and follow button tó wà lójú ìwòran yín kẹ́sì máa bá mi like and share ètò yìí kó máa lọ lórí ayélujára. Títí dìgbà míì ire o.